We got a package from Mixicles, and as some of you know, I stopped drinking alcohol and am going alcohol-free until April 15th. That is my goal. I've got 3 different flavors here. I have Orange Blossom Passion Fruit. This sounds amazing. Last week I tried the jalapeno citrus, which has a lovely, lovely bite to it. It was so amazing. A little later I added a little basil to this, and oh my gosh. The fresh basil with the jalapeno citrus was perfect. And the last one I have is blueberry lemon basil. I'm gonna try this today because I haven't tried this one yet. And I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of mint as well. This was in my freezer. And instead of using alcohol, I'm going to use a little bit of seltzer water. So all you have to do is take this, drop it in your glass, and I am going to add some sparkling to this, and we'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some mint. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so delicious. To get the mint flavor, yes, you can garnish with the mint, just like this. But I also like to take the mint leaves and just crush it a little bit and just stick that in there, just so I have a nice essence of mint inside of my drink as well as a pretty garnish. This looks so beautiful, doesn't it? It's so fancy looking for a mocktail. And as this melts, of course, it flavors the seltzer water. But even as I just put it in and it's still frozen, there's still a lot of flavor in here. This is amazing. Look at this. The color is beautiful. And when I serve it in a fancy glass like that, I do not feel like I'm missing out on anything. I love hosting dinner parties, and most of my friends drink, so they like to have a glass of wine or a cocktail, and now I get to join them with something special.